Hey guys, here is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Redington IV ceiling fan in a white finish. This fan has reversible white and bleached oak blades. I have the bleached oak side showing for the video. This particular model is from November of 2006, and this is a air-cool model. I actually got this along with another Hampton Bay fan not even an hour ago on the side of the road. One of my neighbors was throwing it away, and on the way home from work I went and grabbed both of them. The guy actually came out of the house and told me they both worked, but they were both thrown on the curb, so they were really bent up, and needless to say they're in really rough shape. This one has paint all over it, as well as paint missing on the fan. A lot of the blades were bent out of whack when I got it, so I had to bend them back. Even the switch housing is all bent, which is unfortunate. Also, the light pull chain is ripped out, so the light is going to be stuck on for the video. Fortunately though, the fan came pretty much all complete for being a trash find. It came with a mounting bracket. It was missing the remote control, but it did come with a receiver. Came with all light bulbs that work. We had two that worked, the other two did not work. And really it's not in that bad of shape, other than the paint missing and the paint splatter and some of the bent parts. I have another one of these also that I got a few months ago, and that one's in worse shape. But yeah, but anyway, I'll fire it up. I'll start with low speed. Not sure if I mentioned that, but it did come with one of the original Hampton Bay pull chains. And right next to both the fans that were thrown on the curb, there were two new Harbor Breeze fan boxes, which look like they suck. But there were some extra parts in the new fans boxes though. There were some down rods and some extra lengths of wire, as well as some screws, so those could definitely come in handy. This thing works perfectly fine. There's really nothing wrong with it, other than the cosmetics. The original mounting bracket was right here as well. That's about low speed. It's doing a pretty good job on low. Here's medium. And there is a big sleek of red paint on the other side of the motor housing, which I will show you at the end of the video. Excuse the dog barking. There's a little bit of a wiggle to it because the blades are out of clock. It's about medium. Here's high. Of course it gets going on high. You can see the crookedness of the switch housing right there. Let's perform. See, the blades are all screwed up too. I'm gonna have to do some more work on them, but that's the best I can do for the video right now. There's the remote receiver for the fan right there. Unfortunately, no remote control. But you see there's a big thing of paint right there. But one thing really interesting about this fan that I didn't really notice is the edges of the blades are actually beveled. Because I have my other Redington blades right here, actually. And you can see the thickness of those. These are totally flat on the end. There's no lip or anything, and they're thick. This one, you can see, there is you can see it right there, there's a little bevel in the end, which thins them out. See, it's right here. Which I find that pretty interesting. I'm not sure why Hampton Bay decided to do that. There's the other one I have right there. And the tag up there. This is November 06. I'm not sure what the other one says. I really didn't look at it. Some of the dust. You guys can take a look at it. One thing with these tags, it's kind of tricky trying to find the date on them. Back there, up there, actually. I don't know. But, sorry. Anyway, that's that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.